Hey there! Are you looking to improve your English and speak more fluently? You've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to share some effective tips that can help you become more confident and fluent in English. Let's get started.
Tip number 1. Practice regularly. Set aside some time every day to practice speaking English. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Tip number 2. Immerse yourself in English. Watch English movies, listen to podcasts, and read books. Surrounding yourself with the language will help you absorb it more naturally. Tip number 3. Think in English. Instead of translating from your native language, try to think directly in English. This will help you speak more naturally and with less hesitation. Tip number 4. Expand your vocabulary. Learn new words every day and try to use them in sentences. The more words you know, the easier it will be to express yourself. Tip number 5. Engage in conversations. Find language partners or join English-speaking groups. Regular interaction with others will build your confidence and fluency. Tip number 6. Focus on pronunciation. Pay attention to how words are pronounced and practice them. Good pronunciation will make your speech clearer and easier to understand. Tip number 7. Record yourself speaking. This helps you identify areas where you need improvement. Listen to your recordings and work on your mistakes. Tip number 8. Use English in daily life. Incorporate English into your routine by making a shopping list, giving yourself instructions, or narrating your day in English. Tip number 9. Don't worry about mistakes. Making mistakes is part of the learning process. The more you speak, the more you'll learn, so don't let fear hold you back. Tip number 10. Set specific goals for your English learning journey. Whether it's holding a conversation for 5 minutes or mastering a topic, clear goals keep you motivated. Remember, becoming fluent in English takes time and effort, but with these tips, you're on the right track. Keep practicing, stay positive, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.